And the FBI in Salt Lake City is looking to speak with anyone who's been victimized by an attorney who admits to embezzling now millions from his clients.
And many of the victims are disabled adults and children with trusts for their medical care. Jeremy Harris first broke the story last week, joining us live right now. And Jeremy, devastating for some of these victims that have lost everything just trying to care for their loved ones.
Absolutely, Mark. And even though a plea agreement stipulates that Utah attorney Calvin Curtis will spend more than 6 years in federal prison and pay back $9.5 million in restitution, federal investigators say they're still sorting out the damage he did to his clients. Once a prominent attorney in Utah, Calvin Curtis is now headed to federal prison.
It was sort of surreal to watch Calvin Curtis plead guilty to 2 federal offenses.
Attorney Laura Milliken-Gray represents Ayla McConkey, one of Curtis's victims and heir to her family's fortune, which Curtis is accused of draining to fund his own lavish lifestyle.
They have seen Glenn victimized by a terrible disease, her Alzheimer's, and then victimized again by the very person charged with protecting her money.
He spent his career specializing in trusts and estates. Today, some of his clients turned victims watched Curtis admit to fraud and money laundering.
We swear as attorneys to uphold the law and to do no harm, and he just completely violated his sacred duty to protect his clients.
Tonight we did get a statement from the FBI here in Salt Lake City that says in part, Calvin Curtis' greed has devastating consequences for his clients who place their trust and money in his hands. We hope this case sends a strong message that the FBI will do what it takes to make sure such crimes don't go unpunished. Anybody else who is a victim of Calvin Curtis is asked to contact the FBI in Salt Lake City. He is scheduled for sentencing next March. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Jeremy Harris, KUTV 2 News.
All right, we'll stay on top of it. Jeremy, thank you.